Okay, so let's just go in a bit. Can we go in a little bit?
I'll come round.
Okay. So is everyone here? This is, so we're kind of experimenting. So sometimes we don't have enough tubing, so then we just thought, oh, we'd build a halo one. So this was hanging up here at one point, and then we took it down for the interviews. Now we have to readjust it. But this head tube is with the CO2 on the outside and the zinc on the inside. Okay, that's better for your head, and there's a technology as to why. It's to rebalance, you know, so the brain is zinc predominant, right? So in order to put it back, get the toroidal kind of vortex, you almost provide the opposite.
So CO2 and
CO2 on the outside, zinc on the inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
At the head.
At the head. The rest of the body tubes are zinc on the outside and CO2 on the inside. So it depends on your frame and your design and everything else. It's totally up to you to innovate as to what you want to be doing with it.
Now, how long are these tubes?
So these are about 2.5 meters or 3 meters. It's just
No, they're 2.5 meters.
just go to the top. Okay, so that's 150 there. Can you let it go?
No, did you wind it down?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
150 to there. And then you see on the other side?
Yeah, 100.
Yeah, 2.5 meters. Okay, those are 2.5 meter tubes.
And if you lifted your beam here a bit,
You can lift it, and we have made space for it to go up a bit. So you can just, you know, like I said, this is very basic innovation. You can do whatever you want.
I think they would make it 3 meters with some of the stuffies we did.
Yeah, you need to make it longer. It's better to make a 3 meter tube so that you can.
Doesn't lose its power
Yeah.
when it's
No, it doesn't. It's fine, you know, to get in and out, you need to have a little bit of space. You want it to be like a curtain.
And what we do, we move them like this. If there's 3 meters, it's easier to move.
Okay, so 3 meters, I think is the
I
answer.
would say so. And you make this a bit higher.
Yeah, but that's just where you tie it there, and you can tie it, you know, at any point. That bamboo is amazing for that. And we found out at one point we were worried that we shouldn't be using wood, that it should all be plastic. So we kind of bought this actually for the workshop, and we were experimenting with these ideas. So this is also available actually if anyone wants it, but we've got enough to make a plastic frame as well. So of course it would have to be nano-coated, but then it's all plastic and it's all white. So it's quite nice. You can do different things with it. You can make like curtain rods and then hang, you know, the tubes from there, and then it can move. You can do anything. I mean, you can bring tubes down from the top. It's totally open.
I saw on one of the websites the guy that actually installed a pulley, so it almost pulled up like a...
Yeah, Lewis is...
Yeah, so his
Yeah.
collapsed and he stepped out and then he collapsed and then he kind of cranked it and it pulled up again. It was very clever.
And the other design, because we were like brainstorming easy designs, and the other one that you can do is you can take four of these and make a circle on the floor. Okay, put them into the 4 corners, tied at the top, and then put tubes over the top like a teepee.
Yes.
And you can sit inside it.
Yeah.
It's a very quick, easy design. And you
Yeah.
make a smaller tube, bigger, like that, and it's heaven.
Yeah.
Really wonderful to sit inside of them. So this tube doesn't have to be small. It can be as big as the others. We've just made it like this. You can experiment. You can make halo tubes at the top.
And that little one there, is that the one you use as a necklace?
around the neck.
Yeah.
What about
We were experimenting. We put food gans in there. We
Yes,
put
it's a
turmeric
thinner one.
and
And you can get this at
something
the...
else. Beetroot.
Yeah, also tube.
Can I ask you a question about the bed, please?
Do that, explain after.
Can I ask you, do you remember they had a thing to release energy? another
the
pipe.
salt water bucket.
Yes.
Yeah. We don't have it. Rodrigo doesn't have it. So
Oh, he doesn't. Okay, perfect. Thanks.
I don't know where that comes from. But anyway, you can do it.
It was
You can do
initially
it.
part of the design, and now it's
Perfect.
These here are car tubes. We haven't nano-coated. No, we have nano-coated them yet. You can make a tube for your car that you sit around. So you hang it around the back of your seat and you sit in it or against it.
yeah, it's permanently there.
While you're
in my
driving.
car.
Oh, it feels
I'm
amazing.
sure
It's like
we
this
need-
floating feeling.
Tony also has one.
Is it there?
So this is not complete yet, but one of the technologies for making these tubes is that this inner tube has to be just the right length to be able to connect it inside the other tube and still get this top tube
You need
across.
to actually cut it a bit shorter, catch it with pliers, and then stretch it. Because else it
Yeah.
doesn't work.
Wow.
So we'll show you
inside,
how to
so
do
that's
those
quite tricky,
connectors.
eh?
Yeah, and then you lose a bit.
So those are car tubes, so people can make those. So it's got an inner and an outer tube. It'll still have the same technology, zinc and CO2 in it.
Is it the same as that tube? No.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah,
She just
yeah,
put
same.
turmeric in here. We were
Okay.
playing with dyes.
Okay.
And
But then
colours,
it's-
yeah. We sold a whole lot in Bali.
Cool.
Yeah, at the New Earth Festival. Okay, so who's making a bed like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's sort of 3 meter.
I think
Thanks.
3 meters will be better.
Yeah.
Because you know, some of them are not very agile at getting in and out. And
But
Yeah.
now for this bed to demo, we're going to do it 2.5 meters. Just for you to come fit
yeah,
it.
because you've still got
And
some more tubing to do.
Yeah, so we're going to use whatever.
So 3 meters.
missing here.
And then you can practice,
Guys
yeah.
practice.
I can
Okay.
show you the
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.